Hey, I had to do a quick follow-up about Freedom Phone after my lousy evaluation yesterday, and I left you with a lot of information that I should have filled in. So let me explain to you why it's important for us as a company that I do an evaluation on new conservative options like Freedom Phone. Still got them pulled up here. I just think it's kind of cool. The website's kind of cool. We have about, the number's closer to 9 million, but we have over 6 million customers that use the app on either an Android or an iPhone or a Windows phone, a Google phone, something like that. Our security app is the most widely used security app in the United States and Canada. We've got personally, directly, about 3,000 customers that use that. So let me do something I wasn't planning on doing, but this is important. So look, we're a security company. That's a security lock. Works with a smartphone. This is a Qualys security panel. Works with a smartphone. This is the latest indoor HD audio video 180-degree camera. Works with a smartphone. That's an entire panel. I could show you probably on our shelf over here 100 different items that are a part of a security system. And the security system is first for us. Now, a lot of people use SimpliSafe because it's cheap, they think, same price as ours. A lot of people nowadays have Vivint, however you want to say it, because it's a mass marketed system. There's a lot of companies out there that will mass market to you because really they want your dollar. We were a security company first. I don't know if you can see some of the other items behind us. That's a box of Remington 9mm. We believe that security does not start without being prepared. Listen, training is here, okay? Your level of preparedness is very important. Physical security, being physically prepared, is just right below that. But you will never rise to the occasion should you have an event in your home. You will fall to your level of preparedness and you will fall to your level of training. And so a smartphone is really important to us because I don't know if our app will work with Freedom Phone. I would assume that it would because it's on the Android platform. There's other things that I don't know. And I don't know if they're an open source. I don't know if they will allow the download of Google, which is not a good idea. I don't know if they allow the download of Facebook and the other apps in their store. I don't know those things. But when I tried to order the phone yesterday, I tried to order the day before yesterday, and then yesterday, still was not able to order it without either having to use Amazon Pay, which I have a huge problem with as a conservative, and I still was not able to go in without doing some type of a payment process through some third-party financing company. So I'm saying all that to tell you this. An unlocked phone is a great idea. Is it really secure? Will it keep certain links, or how do I say this without being a geek? Because I'm somewhat of a geek. I've been in the security business for 20 years, 18 and a half years. Will it keep the intrusive parts of your browsers that you choose to download from grabbing your information so the government, or let's just say a teenager in your neighborhood, cannot hack into your security system? As of right now, our system is the only one that I know of available that has not been hacked. There's no reported hacks. You can go on YouTube and you'll find, how to defeat. I challenge you, go look at how to defeat SimpliSafe, how to bypass SimpliSafe. Other systems as well, I pick on them because they're probably the one that, and most of the feedback we have online is the worst. But I did not do justice to Freedom Phone, and I apologize. I didn't tell you why I needed the evaluation. We need the evaluation as a company because we have over 6 million users on the app. We have over 3,000 direct customers. We really are involved in the very intricate details of security of people's homes, businesses. We have the largest mortgage company in the U.S. that's a customer of ours. It's very important. So I'm still going to try. I've now sent them, and look, there's no number to get a hold of for Freedom Phone. Kind of concerns me a little bit. I keep getting the same canned email saying, hey, you've got something in your cart. Do you want to check out? Well, I've gone back into it. Still can't check out without using Amazon Pay or some finance payment process. I've not gotten any response from the folks there where it's not a canned response. However, you need to know this. It's a new company. Every new company with a launch, especially when you have someone as awesome as Candace Owens doing your launch for you, you're going to get millions, you're going to get thousands, if not millions of responses. So the verdict is out for me. I was not trying to slam Freedom Phone yesterday. I was simply saying I can't order it. I can't pay for it the way they want me to pay for it. I don't know if the links are there. I don't know if the security on the back end of the phone is there. But I'm going to try to find out because I am very excited about a potentially nice phone at this price point. Come on, Freedom Phone. Give me something to work with. I'm in your corner as a conservative here. I want to know if the thing works. I want to know if the apps work. Again, I've got 3,000 customers, direct customers, and I can't market your phone to them unless you give me something to work with. Hey, like and subscribe. We're going to bring you good information. And I can recommend some carriers other than Verizon and Sprint that you can work with. And it will work with the Freedom Phone, I'm pretty sure. But the verdict's out. Come back. I'm going to give you a follow-up, probably like part 3 on this. Like and subscribe. Thanks.